Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to explain the chapter Carbon and its compounds. Now here this is part 10 where I am going to explain the electron dot structure of covalent molecules. These are fluorine, hydrogen sulfide and propanone. Fluorine you know simply diatomic molecule, homogeneous molecule, same fluorine 2 times F2. And now fluorine atom number 9. 9 mean what is the electronic configuration? 2, 7. 2, 7. 2 mean in K cell, 7 mean L cell. Now you know every element has a tendency to attain inert gas configuration. Already 9 electrons are there. Then how many electrons required to attain the configuration? 1 electron. But it only takes place by sharing of electron. You know sharing of electron mean that form covalent bond. And now so it is a covalent molecule. Atomic structure of fluorine, that is 27Kl. Here see plus 9, that is the number of protons inside the nucleus, that is plus sign. And now the K cell 2 electron, L cell 7 electron. That means it has only 9 electron and only 1 electron less to the inert gas configuration, that is neon. So what to do? First you write the fluorine atom having the electron. How many electron outside shell? 7 electron. So 7 electrons are represented like this. This another fluorine atoms also represented by like this. They are far away from each other. When they come to close each other, what happens? These 2 electrons, they will share each other. Means these 2 electrons will share each other and form a covalent bond. Now you can see they form a covalent molecule by sharing of electron. Now we will check it whether fluorine after sharing electron attain the inert gas configuration or not. Now see, count here, these 2, how many pairs? That means here you can see 4 pairs. 4 pairs mean 8 electron. Already in K cell 2 electron. That means outer cell occupies inert gas configuration of neon and totally that is inert gas configuration of neon. Outer cell only 7 electrons are there. Now after sharing electron, these are 8 electron in both fluorine atom. That is why it forms a covalent bond between 2 fluorine. So it is indicated by F2. Now hydrogen sulfide. What is the formula of hydrogen sulfide? H2S. Now atomic number of sulfur. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. What is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 6. 2 mean K cell. L mean 8. L cell mean 8 electron. 2 mean K cell. 8 mean L cell. 6 mean N cell. What does it mean? That means outer cell contains 6 electrons. Outer cell contains 6 electrons. So see this is the atomic structure of sulfur. Plus 16 means number of proton in the nucleus. And K cell has 2 electrons. See here 2 electrons. L cell has 8 electrons. See 8 electrons. M cell has 6 electrons. That means 2, 8, 6. Total how many electrons? 16 electrons. So you can see here 16 electron correct. Outer cell 6 electron, that is also correct. So it is a deficiency of 2 electron to attain the octet rule or octet configuration. Or you can say inert gas configuration. The argon is 18. So here 2 electron less to attain inert gas configuration because it is only 16 electron in the atomic structure and outer cell only 6 electrons. And how the sharing of electron takes place between hydrogen and sulfur we will see now. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Sulfur, that means here electronic configuration is 286. Total number of electrons 16. That nucleus contains 16 proton. Now out of 16 electron, the arrangement takes place like this: 2, 2, 8, 2, 8, 6. That means outer cell contains 6 electrons. So here see the cross one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sulfur has 6 electrons in outer shell. On both sides, left and right, here one hydrogen electron that sharing takes place. The electron from hydrogen and electron from sulfur sharing takes place, covalent bond form. Similarly, electron from hydrogen and electron from sulfur both will share and covalent bond is produced. And now here this is the structure because these two electrons that never takes part in chemical reaction. That is why these two 4 electrons and this side one bond, this side one bond. That means there are how many bonds? 2 bonds between what? SH and SH. And there are that means non-bonding pair electron, that the bond electron not involved in bonds. These are above 2, below 2. Next come to propanone. Propanone, the structure is CS3 COCS3. CS3 COCS3. That means if you expand this one, here one hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, here C double bond O, and right side also 3 hydrogen. That means in our mind we should remember this is propanone structure, this is expansion structure. Then only we can proceed easily what is the electron dot structure of propanone. Now suppose here how many carbon? 1, 2, 3. Suppose I want to put here 1, 2, 3, and you know outer shell contain 4 electron. Outer shell contain 4 electrons. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And here also this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope it is easy. That means carbon has 4 electrons in outer shell. So this carbon and these 3 carbons having how many electrons? 4 electrons. Then how many carbon? 3. 4 into 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 6 to 8, 2, 10. 4 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry. Now it is 12 electron. Now if one hydrogen comes in and here it forms bonding, here, similarly here 3 places will form bonds, then what happens? And also an oxygen will come and here in this middle carbon, if it form bond, covalent bonds, then what happens? See here, from this carbon the cross structure and from hydrogen dot structure, it forms one covalent bond by sharing of electrons. Similarly here also you can observe from carbon from hydrogen it forms electron dot structure. Sharing of electron takes place. Here also sharing of electron takes place between hydrogen and carbon. Then how many bonds form? 1, 2, 3. CH bond form. Now here what happened? Here from this carbon 1 electron and from first carbon 1 electron, it also form one covalent bond. In this side, the last or right side the carbon, you can observe hydrogen forms covalent bond. This hydrogen covalent. This side also one covalent bond by sharing of electron. Similarly, between 2 carbon, sharing of electron takes place between 2 carbon. Here this also, these 2 carbons sharing of electron takes place. Then come to above. You know oxygen, what is that oxygen? 2, 6. 2, 6, 8. That means here 2, 6, that means 8 means 8 is the atomic number. Then electronic configuration 2, 6. Now 6, how can you arrange here 2, here 2. These are non-bonding, they are never involved in bonding. And these 2 here you will put near to this carbon electron. Now you can see here 2 electron from oxygen, 2 electron from carbon, they form double bond. Now you can see here it is double bond, here you can observe here also double bond and single, that side so single. Then how many CH bond form? 6 CH bond. How many CC bond? 2 CC bond. And how many double bond? 1 C double bond O, 1 double bond. So totally how many? 6 to 1, here double bond 2, that means number of bonds 2. So total bonds is 10. Now you can observe also this hydrogen satisfy the helium configuration, that is 2. Here also this hydrogen also satisfy, this hydrogen also satisfy helium inert gas configuration, though it never follows octet configuration, but it is following inert gas configuration, that is helium. Right side also 1, 2, 3, 3 inert gas configuration that follows, that is helium. And middle, in middle you know this is a bond formed between carbon and carbon sharing electron. Here also between 2 carbon sharing electron, and here 2 electron from carbon and 2 electron from oxygen, and forms here sharing of electrons. Now what happened? Carbon also satisfy octet rule. See here also 2 to 6, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. 8 electron, that is satisfy the inert gas configuration, that is neon. Outer shell how much? 8. Octet rule follows. Similarly this carbon also same case, it will follow the octet rule configuration. It follows the inert gas configuration, that is neon. Then this carbon you can observe here 2 to 2, 4, 6 to 8. This carbon also satisfy octet rule. Next come to oxygen. Oxygen I have not drawn the diagram, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, because it will confuse. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. The oxygen also satisfy 8 gas configuration, that is octet rule, that means inert gas configuration of neon, because outer shell contain 8 electron, is satisfy octet rule configuration, and total electron that comes to neon, that is 2, 8, that is mean it follows the inert gas configuration. So hope it is clear. Now you can see, suppose only I want to show you without hydrogen, without bonding formation. See, easily you can understand these two from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Again, for this carbon this is 4. For this carbon this is 4. For this carbon this is 4. Hydrogen, 1 hydrogen attached here, 1, 3 hydrogen attached right side, and 3 hydrogen attached on the left side, that is CH, 3 CH, 3 CH, totally 6 CH. And here CC bond 1, 1, 2, and here forms double bond 1 C double 1 O. That totally how many bonds? Total bond 10, out of which 1 double bond and 8 single bond. Totally bond 10. I hope it is clear. And this is the propanone electron dot structure. I hope, and other organic compounds also. You can write the dot structure easily. Hope you will subscribe my channel, BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks again to all.